If you are new to the KDP and you are confused about the pricing of your books, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Dubey, and in this channel I talk about KDP structure, KDP strategy and all the things related to KDP. So if you are watching me for the very first time, please do considering uh, do consider subscribing my channel, and if you're already supporting me, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So before getting into the process and everything, I just want to make one thing clear with you guys, and I just want to share my own experience here. So what I have noticed is the human psychology when it comes to pricing. When someone asks, like, as a online business owner, or if someone asks you about your pricing, or even in general, the person like goes into very their uncomfortable zone. I don't know why, but they goes into that, right? This is the main concern. And in the KDP, what happens that people try to just make their books as cheapest as possible, but this is not the strategy that works. Why? First thing, because if you will just put your books on 4.99 something like that, when I will take a look as a customer, I might think like, okay, this is 4.99, maybe the quality is not good, maybe it is a cheap kind of book, and in reality it is not. But it is my human psychology that thinks that way, right? So do not consider that like if I'm putting on 4.99 I'm gonna get a lot of sales. No, this is not going to happen. Okay, this was the first thing. Second thing, do not put unrealistic numbers. What is meant by that? Put the amount that your book deserves. Because if you're not going to if you're not going to see the value of your own time, no one else in this world is going to see that, right? So put your worth on the book. That is correct, but it is not meant that you will put unrealistic number. For example, if you are just designing a simple journal or simple like notebook, and if it is like 120 pages, and if you're putting it like 15.99 or 13.99, 12.99, then it is making no sense to me. Because obviously a notebook of 120 pages, simple just rule notebook, consists of like 6.99 maximum or 7.99 maximum, right? So this was the second thing about the expectations from your book. The third thing is that what I see people following the strategy, that when they are new, what they do is they just go ahead and they just put their books on 5.99 or like 4.99, and once they start getting the sales over the time, they will increase the prices. Now it somewhat, it is a good strategy if it is working for you, but from my experience I would say that just make sure that you are starting at least from 6.99. I do not follow any other strategy apart from this, that the lowest pricing of my books starts from 6.99, and then it goes as per the niche goes up or like changes, right? So now the thing that you might be thinking, okay Priyanka, I got your understanding, like okay, I got it. Now what is the process that you follow? The process that I follow is I'm gonna discuss right now. What I do is, let's say that you want to design a planner paperback, for example, because I do not want to get confused, you guys, with like spiral ones, because obviously KDP does not support it. And there was a guy in the comment section who asked me that how we can create spiral notebooks in KDP. So KDP does not allow the spiral, so I hope you answered your question. So moving forward, you can see that there are a lot of books which are not KDP one. So obviously I would ignore that. First one is this budget planner, but you can see the pricing is 7.99. It is not making sales because of its cover. I can say that clearly. So you can see here the 7.99 is the pricing. Now let's go to some another one. This one is for Undated weekly planner. It is 6.99. Okay. Now let's go to some another one. There's another one which is ranking very good and which has got a rating like 109 till yet. It means it is selling very nicely, very like it is selling huge, and it is 799. Let's move further. The other one is gratitude journal and it is selling 699. I have taken a planner only, so that's why it is showing a lot of other different niches. So yeah, that's why. There is another one which is like 699. Okay, from now we got to see that we have several paperbacks here which goes from 699 to 799, uh, and 699 and 799 basically, right? So let's go ahead and let's look into the journals which are selling good, and let's see what is the difference between the 699 and the 799 one. Okay, I will open this one because it is selling really very good. And the second thing I am gonna take is this one because it is 699. That's fine. Okay, and the other one is 799, I guess. Okay, this is 799, and you can see that it is looking good to me. But let's look at to the print length, that is the number of pages. It has 140 pages, and the 699 one is having like 114 pages. It is clearly, it is showing us that this deserves to be 799 because obviously the number of pages is more, which is equal to the number of printing cost is going to get higher, which is equal to your royalty getting decreased if you have put like 699 and 599, because obviously it is not making any sense to me, because royalties are going to be very minimum for you, and which we do not want, right? So you have to accept the fact that you are worthy. First thing, and second thing, go ahead and charge as you are worth, as you have put in this hard work in making this book. On the second hand, here it is 114 pages, so accordingly 699 is good. uh, so I got to explain you that what is the difference between 799 and 699. So what, in conclusion, what you will do is you will go ahead, you will type your keyword over here in the search box, then you will get to see the pricing of different paperbacks. Either it is 699, 799, 899, whatever it is, whichever is coming the average, you will take it as your pricing on your book. Or if you want to go somewhat further, you will go ahead and you will check it like this, like what is the number of pages, why they have priced it like 799, and etc etc. So do not hesitate to ask for more, okay, because you deserve it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.